Thumbprint cookies combine the crisp texture of shortbread with the tangy sweetness of fruit preserves. You can use orange marmalade or apricot, raspberry or strawberry preserves. Place the chocolate chip in the indentation of the thumbprint as a variation before adding the preserves. The main ingredients of this recipe are flour, butter, sugar, and pecans. The flour, butter, and sugar are the basic ingredients of shortbread. The baking powder makes the cookies lighter by introducing carbon dioxide bubbles during baking. The vanilla extract adds flavor and aroma. The egg makes the dough more pliable and easier to handle. The pecans add crunchiness and a nutty flavor to the cookies. We start by putting the butter cut into small chunks into a mixing bowl together with the sugar. We lock the bowl in place. We lock the head of the mixer and turn it on. We can increase the speed of the mixer and then add the eggs and flavorings. When the mixture of sugar and butter is homogeneous, we add the flour. Now we mix all the ingredients together until we have a nice sandy mixture. The easiest way to make cookies of a uniform size is to make a roll of dough and cut it with a knife. We then take each piece of dough and roll it into a ball. Press the ball of dough with the palm of your hand and make an indentation with your thumb. This is why they are called thumbprint cookies. Now we are ready to add the preserves. Using 2 spoons, put a little bit of jam in each thumbprint. Use just enough preserves to fill the indentation when the cookies bake. Putting the preserves on the thumbprints gets easier with practice. At this time, we're ready to put the cookies into an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 20 minutes until the bottoms are golden brown. After the cookies have cooled, they can be transferred to a plate. The cookies can be put on a fancy dish to impress your guests. You can make fancier cookies by using a wooden mold. The dough is pressed into the mold and then tapped onto a baking sheet. This recipe makes about 30 cookies. Enjoy!